Available only for planning models, distribution is the process of moving some or all of the value from one cell to other cells at the same level within a dimension hierarchy, or to a different branch of the hierarchy. For example, we might want to distribute values from the East US region to the West US region. Here, we'll use the distribute feature to move 50 million of the US sales and marketing expense from apparel to footwear. We can choose the target dimension for distribution. In this case, product group is the only available dimension because the region hierarchy has no other members at the same hierarchical level as United States, and the unassigned member is excluded from the table using a filter. Note that distribution doesn't affect dimension members excluded from the table using filters or cells that have been locked, but it can affect values in dimensions that don't display in the table but are not excluded using filters. For example, in this case, time does not display in the table, but is not excluded by a filter, so values for all time periods will be affected by our changes. If desired, we can disable the option to distribute to Unbook cells. We'll leave this option enabled. With apparel selected as the cell to distribute, we can assign the values to unassigned, no product, or footwear, or to members of the footwear product group. For this example, we'll distribute 50 million to footwear. The value we distributed has been deducted from apparel and added to footwear. Note that the values have also been automatically updated proportionally for each of the regions, preserving the existing weights between the values. Thanks for watching.